underneath the hat. I almost walked past it. My camera needs to be way down. Where did she put those? Oh, I got them.
They keep that Pepsi machine filled over there.
What?
Coca-Cola or Pepsi at the meeting?
Well, it's always screwing up.
It's always what?
It's always screwing up. It's always messing up.
Does it have a bill change on it? Does it take
Credit?
ones and
Yeah,
credit
I
cards
think.
too?
I think. I'm pretty sure it does.
What part messes up about it?
Our drinks are usually always hot.
Well, it hadn't been too long ago. You told me about that, and they weren't going to fix it, didn't they?
Hey, I have a pack exactly like yours, but I'm Mountain Rescue.
Your what?
I'm Mountain Rescue. I love that tan color. As you can probably tell, my boots are in that color.
That's airsoft.
Yeah, I also do that too. As you probably can tell with all the GoPro equipment. I'm the IVB Man on YouTube. I have airsoft on my channel. The IVB Man or Lewis Media Production Company. Always advertise, no matter where you are. I need Cheetos Crunchies. Where are they again? Oh no, they're down
That
here.
mixed box up there. No, this is the hot Cheetos.
Oh yeah, right. It's
Are you the small ones?
yeah,
Well, boxes. It's got two different things.
it's right here.
Maybe right here, yeah.
How many do I need? I think I need one. I actually need one more. I walked right by it. I'm like, wait, what? Yeah, I took my hat off because I didn't think my camera was on, but it is. We're good. We need the famous Amos chocolate chips.
They're in the middle.
I got them.
Same way, you have to go straight through.
How you doing? No nervous. I'm not nervous. I'm only nervous when I get these. It's usually the only time I'm nervous. Or when it's a stressful situation. Where's the goldfish at?
On the top of the cookies.
That's pretzels.
Two boxes up there.
Nope. That's zoo animal crackers. That's veggie straws. The veggie, yeah.
They're usually right.
Nope. Wait, what am I looking for again? Goldfish. I mean, all I need is one, so I don't think
Okay.
it really matters.
We'll get a box of those in a minute, and that's all you need.
Okay. And then some Reese's. I think, yeah, you got them right here. My stuff's all crooked. I'm like, what the? Your phone's ringing again. I've already filled them up. Okay, strawberry. Trying to keep my camera on my head. I think I need one more. My hat is slowly coming off.